equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV10 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you'll see the motor. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. Take note of how it's connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair to ensure you're making the right choice. Next, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws on either side of the motor. Once these are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. It's a good idea to clean the area around the motor with a soft cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help your new motor perform optimally. Now, take your new motor and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your vacuum repaired without any hassle. Once everything is secured, replace the cover of the motor compartment and screw it back into place. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug your Dyson SV10 back in. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are here to help you with no calls, no travel, just straightforward service. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV10. Enjoy your clean home with your newly repaired vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.